The body tag contains the content which is visible within the content area of your web browser. It contains things like text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, and any other visible elements. In our example, we've included two items in our body tag. The first is just basic text. Since we've not defined the location or any other attributes of this text, it will be displayed at the top left corner of our web browser. We also haven't specified the font face, but if you recall, we did specify the default font color as red in our cascading style sheet. In a moment, we'll preview this document in our web browser, and you'll see exactly how it looks. After the basic text content, we have a form element, the text field. We won't be covering form elements just yet, but this example demonstrates how we call a JavaScript function named myFunction to convert the input text from lowercase to capitals. If you recall, the JavaScript function was located in our head tag. We're now calling that function in the body tag. Let's preview the file again so we can see how this all comes together in our web browser. We can see that the text that was contained in our body tags is displayed here as it should be. The color is red, and it's located at the top left corner of the content area by default. Next, we have our JavaScript function. To see how it works, type your name into the text field in lowercase letters and click anywhere on the screen to activate the script. You'll see the name in the text field converts from lowercase to uppercase format. And that's it. Once we've closed the body tag, all that remains is our closing HTML tag to complete the entire HTML document. This is the basic structure of an HTML page.